Hello YouTube, this show is Christopher with Toogling Outdoors, and today we will be discussing the giveaway and also catfishing Drakes Creek in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So hopefully y'all do stick around and enjoy the video. Alright everybody, so I am catfishing today. Hopefully I can include some clips of it. Y'all know where we're catfishing. I've told y'all it is a runoff on the Barren River in case anyone is wondering. So it should hold some catfish in here. We have gotten a few bites, which is a pretty nice thing to have. Not caught anything just quite yet. Hopefully we can get it in this video. But the main reason y'all are here, or most y'all are probably here for, is the giveaway. Now, there are some rules to the giveaway. Number one, obviously you have to be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber and you try to comment on the video and we select you, you will be disqualified, I should say. And we'll check our subscriptions list to make sure that you're a subscriber. Now, if you subscribe and then unsubscribe, we're not sure what we're going to do about that quite yet, but that's to come. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully y'all stick around and actually enjoy the content we post. But what we will be giving away, it's going to be in 5 separate categories. Now, you're going to have to comment one category that you would want your prize to be if you win. Now, we're not going to exceed about $15 on the giveaway. The categories are going to be bass fishing, catfishing, turkey hunting, duck hunting, and deer hunting. Those are the 5 categories. They're going to be right here. Just comment down below whether or not you want bass fishing, and just say that. Just comment bass fishing, I subscribed. Make sure you give a thumbs up on the video also. That'd be much appreciated. And yeah, so what all you're going to get on the giveaway is, like I just said, a $15 item. It could be $15, it could be less than $15. It just depends on what we feel is right. And a limited edition sticker. Now, the sticker itself is going to be a chrome reflective kind of sticker. It's going to have this logo on it. Trees. And it's going to be a very limited, like very few people actually have it. I think my family members at Tugaluna are the only people that have it, and you will be another select member that have that item. So that's really all for the giveaway. Obviously, thank you so much for everyone who subscribed and everybody that comes and checks out our most up-to-date video. It really does mean a lot to us when we post it and we check it the next day and it's got 20, 30, 40 views on it. It's very cool for us. We really enjoy it. We have devoted a lot of our time to this channel, and we definitely aren't going to stop now. Once you hit that 100-mile marker, the next giveaway is probably going to be at 250. Then we'll do 500. After 500, we'll do 1,000, and so forth. So forth. There we go. But that's all for the giveaway for now. In case you're wondering how we're going to just randomly select somebody, we will upload the video with the actual giveaway. It's going to be probably about a week from now. That way everyone has a chance to comment on the video. What's today? Today's Tuesday, the 3rd. So we will do it a week from today, which is Tuesday. I'll have this video up tonight. I do want to also mention that no matter how many times you comment, it will not help your odds. All the thing you have to do is comment once, one of those 5 categories. Make sure you say I subscribe. If we choose you, we check, and you subscribe, we'll message you and get your details, and you will get your prize. Once again, thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. And if you're new to the channel and you're interested in the giveaway and interested in the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And you can look forward to more catfishing videos, hunting videos. I have decided, by the way guys, I haven't mentioned this on any media yet. I talked to my uncle who lives in Virginia, and he said that he would be interested in possibly filming some deer hunting for 2 days. He said that we might run dogs. I've never ran dogs before. It seems kind of interesting. Let us know if you would agree to that or don't agree to that also. And also, we are going to bear hunt. I'm going to get the chance to go black bear hunting in Virginia, which is I'm super stoked about. I can't wait to get that video out to y'all. And Also, I'm going to go turkey hunting. I've decided that it does seem kind of fun. My mom was telling me that she wouldn't mind tasting wild turkey. We've never had wild turkey in my family personally. So look forward to that video also. Now, really the only thing else for me to do today is just go catfishing. Hopefully catch maybe 2 or 3 out of this this river, or this creek I should call it. As y'all seen in the beginning of the video though, that was pretty cool. The deer were actually just, I'd say probably 150 yards away from here, just down the creek. Sucks as it isn't deer season, you know. But it was very cool, very cool. We might actually walk down there and try to fish a little brush pile that's off to the river. But yeah, hopefully we can catch catfish. Once again, thank you for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And yeah, so hopefully we can start catching some fish. Alright everybody, so in case y'all can't tell, the weather has just out of nowhere gotten very, very bad. I see lightning way off in the distance by that cloud right there. I value my life. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and get the hell out of here, mainly because I don't want to get electrocuted anytime soon. It's not fun, especially not when it's apparently up to 100,000 watts. I'm good. So we're gonna go ahead and pack up, get the hell out of Dodge. Like y'all can hear it, the wind is picking up a lot. The clouds are dark. We're supposed to apparently be getting tornadoes or something. I enjoy making catfishing videos. I love it, but at the end of the day, my life is a lot more important. My dad actually just texted me and said, hey, pay attention to the weather, guys. I just checked the weather app and it looks like, yes, I hope y'all just seen that there's lightning out there. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up, guys. Seriously, if you ever catfish in weather like this, I recommend y'all not do that. It's definitely not worth the risk. So I'm gonna leave my pole out until I get all my other gear wrapped up, put away, and then I'm gonna grab my pole and grab my pole holder, and we are going to go home. I'll get this video edited. Make sure, if you haven't though, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to comment on this video. If you do not comment one of those 5 categories, then you will not be entered in the giveaway. That's all I have to say. Hopefully I did enjoy this video. I'm sorry we didn't catch anything, but we will definitely be back here when the weather is not like that. Yeah, okay, I'm done rambling. I will see you on the next video. Hope everyone has a safe day, and I will see you on the next one.